Good afternoon. Welcome to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great barbecue recipe I'm looking forward to sharing with you. So let's get going and let's light the fire. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have about 14 nice sized chicken legs that we already washed and dried off, and now we're going to get a simple evaporated milk and 1 egg combined to make a quick and simple dredge, and that way our batter and seasoning can stick to these chicken and make it more crunchy. Here we go. And just like that, that is done. And all we're going to do is put that to the side. We have the chicken here. We're adding some fresh ground black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, some no salt Tony's Cajun seasoning, and a little bit of dry mustard. And just remember, the full description of the recipe is in the description below. Everyone, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button. It would really help the channel and help get these videos out to other folks who like this type of videos. Thank you. Now in goes our milk and egg mixture, and we're going to mix all this together to get these seasonings and all these good flavors combined all over these chicken legs. This is my first time using this product. I seen it on the shelf at my local Walmart. It's called the Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. We're going to use this as our flour mixture, and we're also going to add a little bit more cornstarch just to help get it nice and crispy. This is an easy flour contraption I found off of Amazon. First time using it. It's supposed to make flouring food much easier and quicker and cleaner. And it goes in 2 cups of the seasoned flour, a couple tablespoons of the cornstarch. We're about to toss these legs inside and get them nice and floured. Today we're using our WEBER kettle and our Vortex accessory. This is going to go good, but to light the fire and get this going. Everyone, if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to the channel. You'll be the first to see my barbecue and seafood videos, and it would really help the channel. Thank you. Now we have all the chicken legs on, and what I'm going to do is hit them with some duck fat to get them, help them crisp up. And also, when I close this lid, keep an eye on my vent. My vent is pointing to the right, and every time we check on the chicken legs, we're going to rotate the vent to the opposite side. That just helps everything cook even. So watch, the vent is to the right now, And when we come back and check on them, we're going to have the vent pointing to the left. It's been about 35 minutes. Man, these are coming along good. It's very surprising seeing fried chicken on the grill, but they're coming along good. I'm just going to take a look at them, check some temps, but they're coming along good. I'm not going to do a whole lot to them yet, but this is coming on good. And now look at the vent. It's to the left side, and that just helps cook even, get everybody cooked timely manner. Here we are. It's been another 20 minutes. Man, they're coming along well. I'm going to check some temperatures, do a quick rotation, and I think we won't have much longer now. They're not quite there yet. We're going to give them another 15 minutes after this rotation. And here we are, checking the temps one final time, making sure everybody's done. I was able to pull some of the smaller ones and put those off to the side. Then the bigger ones, I moved them a little bit closer and let them go another additional 15 minutes. Just look at the color. That breading was the first time I ever used it. It was very good. I added more pepper, more seasoning, but it was very good. I really enjoyed it. We will be using this again. It's so weird cooking fried chicken on the grill. I said it before. But family, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate all your support. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.